Now let's open the package and see what are the accessories available. This is the main unit, M7. This is the car charger. This is the rear camera and its extension cable. A pair of rubber straps. 32 GB SD card. The user manual. Now it comes to the main unit. Now it has come to the top of the device. From the left to the right, we can see that here is the for power in port. The second one, AV port, is for rear camera connection. And the third one will be the TF slot. At the bottom of it, there is a power button, and only button on this device. It has come to the back of the device. We can see that there is a bigger hole on the top of the back. It is for reset. Now it's time to insert the card inside the device. We can see that the gap side is facing to our left and the word side facing to us. Then we insert it in until we reach the right position. Now let's use these straps to mount it on the original rear mirror. It's like this. Here, buried on the top of the roof, with our hand, it's easy. And with some extra cable outside to connect the device. A cigarette lighter stand. After the other side, insert into the cigarette lighter. This end will connect to the power port. Now it works. The rear camera wiring is similar with the car charger wiring. It's some extra cable left here to connect the device. And then we'll bury them inside the roof till it reaches the corner of the left side with the pillar. Now it comes to the installation of the rear view mirror, and there are two positions here and the plate. When we place it on the plate, we should make sure that it doesn't block the view of the numbers. Meanwhile, when we install the rear mirror, we need to connect this red line to the reversing lamp there.
Welcome to the Yada backup camera installation video. Today, we will be reviewing how to install the digital backup camera system with Dash Monitor by Yada. Once you have snapped the dash monitor onto your dash mount, you can stick the unit onto your windshield. Remove the protective overlay and adjust it to your preference. You can now plug the 12-volt cable or hardwire power cable into the side of your monitor and plug into your available 12-volt port. Now we are going to determine the location of your reverse light power cables. This is needed to power the backup camera. You may need to reference the wiring diagram for your vehicle. Once you have found the reverse taillight power cables, take one of the provided Scotch lock connectors and connect the cable's black wire to your reverse taillight's negative wire. Use pliers to ensure the connection is tight. Then connect the cable's red wire to the reverse taillight's positive wire. Drilling may be required for this next step. Please seek professional help if needed. Now we are going to feed the camera cable through the license plate panel or through your license plate lights, if available. Pull the cable through into the trunk of your vehicle and tuck it into your vehicle's lining to keep out of the way. Now you can slide your backup camera onto your license plate and screw your plate back in. You can also adjust your camera's angle to your specific needs. Next, you are going to plug in the camera's cable and the power cable from the reverse taillight into the provided signal booster. Lastly, make sure there are no loose cables. You can use the provided plastic straps to secure any cables. The booster pack may be left in your trunk or hidden behind your vehicle's lining. Your installation is now complete. Shift your vehicle into reverse to make sure your camera is connected to the monitor correctly. For further information, please reference the user manual or call Yada's customer service directly.